What? What's happening?
We have problems with our van.
What?
We haven't even started yet and we already have problems. Apparently we are not allowed to go to Fuerteventura.
Why not?
It's something with the insurance. Apparently the insurance is only for Lanzarote and they are not insured to go to Fuerteventura.
So what's the plan?
Yeah, I don't know. Try to find a solution. So, there is this guy who rents out pretty much the same van on Airbnb.
Okay.
But I asked him if he is insured, the van is insured to go to Fuerteventura, and he tells me something like, yeah, the van is insured as long as nothing happens. Maybe. That's probably not a good idea. Let's search further.
Yeah. You have a van?
I think we have a van.
All right.
It looks like we have a van.
All right, high five.
Even better. We have two vans now.
One for each?
No, not one for each. The rental company came up with an idea. Somewhere in between we will have to switch vans. So we will get another van that is allowed to go to Fuerteventura, and when we return we have to switch vans again to the first van. Does that make sense, or am I just... You'll see. It's gonna work out.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Start fan life, they said.
It's gonna be fun, they said. We haven't even started yet. Alright, today starts with the good news. We have a van!
We have a van!
We just picked it up. Look at it.
We have soup!
We have soup and everything.
We have free soup!
This is our van. We will give you a full tour later when we are in a much more beautiful place,
Yeah,
because
now we are just like on a parking
this
lot.
is the gas station of the of the airport. But we have a van!
But we have a van! How
Yay!
cool is this?
Did you break the van already?
I just broke the van!
We have
Like
5
literally
minutes.
5 minutes! Okay. Shit. Alright.
Alright.
First trick of our van. We have to give it a little push. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay. Alright. First adventure, here we come!
So where are we going?
I don't know! Where are we going? You are my co-pilot!
I think we have to go to the supermarket.
You tell me! Nick, where are we going?
I think we need to go to the supermarket. Yeah, you get this idea, like you gotta get the van and go to the most idyllic place, but we need groceries.
And we need food. Alright, let's go!
We have a lot of camping food, van life food. I think that's van life food. Anyway, now we are ready.
Now we're ready.
Where are we off to next?
I don't know. You are my co-pilot. I have no idea.
Let's find ourselves a scenic spot.
Yeah. our bed completely. Maybe I have to adjust my driving skills.
Okay, van tour.
Van tour?
Van
Now?
tour.
This is it. I don't know. How can I do a van tour if I don't know? If I don't have any idea how it works or whatever. All right, our bed. It is a sliding system, apparently. We will figure that out tonight. Underneath you have storage space, our chairs, which we will need. So I'm already gonna take them. Okay. We also have our, what was it that was in here? You remember?
I have no idea.
I think our sleeping bags.
We have a box.
A box which said,
Unboxing.
I love you, smile.
Ah, sleeping bags.
Ah, yes, sleeping bags. I was right. Okay. Freshly washed. Yeah, okay, whatever. And then, see, I'm already making a mess. And then, ooh la la. Okay, we have beers.
Yeah, we brought those.
Yeah, here is cutlery, pots and pans, everything. We filled this with our food. We have our own little stove.
We have a shower.
We have a shower. Oh, and our shower is leaking. Yes, seriously, it is. Yeah, okay, that's wet.
That doesn't really matter.
No, but we have a shower. We have an outdoor shower. We even have a little plant.
It's a van plant.
We have little lights. We still have to figure out how those work too. And that's it.
Welcome to our van.
Welcome to our van.
Okay, van lunch.
Van lunch.
What's for van lunch?
Sandwich.
Sandwiches.
Easy.
We picked the easy solution.
Let's start with an easy thing to make. That's one for you. I'm still in detox mode. Okay, this is really uncomfortable. Really, it is. I think I prefer the van already instead of a chair. Let's try. Let's see how it goes. I heard a noise in the back of our van, and Nick said, "So, what happened?"
By picking.
Guys, literally, we are in van life like what, an hour? Maybe 2. It's incredible.
Already making a mess.
What happened?
By picking one beer, I accidentally opened another one. Now
Hola!
there's beer in the freezer.
Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna smell, you know that, right?
Our camping spot is starting to get really full, so we decided to just stay here for our first night. Even though Liz is very concerned about the angle of our camper.
Yeah, I will show you in a bit. It's not very stable, I have to say.
It's not very straight, but I think it's fine. I think it's fine. We will see. We will see tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we'll let you know how cranky I am.
It's actually quite a cool place that we found here. There's a lot of salt flats, and it's pretty much in the middle of nowhere. There are some villages around, and there are these strange wooden objects. Let's have a look. Kinda looks deserted.
It's not.
You think they still use it?
Absolutely.
I kinda have this constant tendency to think like, what are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? But but the thing is, it's probably just because we are doing something new right now. And
We are super excited.
and I'm starting to get the feeling that van life is a lot about just chilling and, and relaxing and hanging out around the van. So maybe that's what we're supposed to do tonight.
Van life is slow life.
Yeah,
Maybe.
let's
Yeah.
enjoy. Yeah, we come from a busy life. Let's enjoy the slow life. Let's have another beer.
Do you see it?
It looks straight to
No. No,
it's
no.
not. It's not straight, but
No, it's not straight. And I will show you. I will prove to you that we're...
it's a little bit like this.
Wait, see?
If I hold the camera like this, it looks perfectly straight.
Bottle? Yeah, bottle. Okay. Not straight. Can you see it?
You don't really see
It
it,
reflects.
but it's not straight.
Wait.
Here's the border of the water here, and here it's here.
So there's
So
like
it goes like this.
a 5 centimeter difference.
Are we going to survive or not? That is something that we will know tomorrow.
Look, even our neighbors know that we are not straight.
Of course, we could have done like what they did, but that's just cheating.
Yeah, they're cheaters. Cheers.
Beer with a view.
Beer with a view.
Final preparations.
I saw that in the video of the beans.
The travel beats.
So I was thinking, okay, I can do that.
Now the next step, trying to make a bed.
Ah, no, no, no. It's in 3 pieces. Ah, yeah, do that side. Yeah, oh, careful. Okay. Does it fit? Does it fit? Yes.
We have a bed.
Oh.
We almost have a bed.
What you doing?
We forgot the sleeping bags. They're... they couldn't be further than they are right now. They're way in the back.
Look how cozy.
It looks cozy and surprisingly comfortable.
We have a bed.
Next thing we learned is that we will probably have to live with the sun.
With the sun?
It's 8 p.m.
Oh yeah, yeah.
and we don't
Is
have much more to do today.
What time is it? Wait, let me check. Yes, it's almost 8. And I'm tired. I'm already tired.
So we will probably just have to read a little bit, and we will talk to you again tomorrow. Good morning.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
Not too bad, actually. No, not too bad. Are we van lifers now?
I think so.
Are we officially van lifers?
Yeah, we cooked, we slept,
We cooked, we didn't cook.
we ate food.
Okay, let me rephrase that. After you make us a cup of coffee and it's fine and it's okay, then we are van lifers. Oh!
A fire.
So what's the plan?
Try to make coffee.
Now let's see if we are van lifers, real van lifers.
It's delicious. It's really, really delicious.
You're just saying that because you made it.
Nope. Perfect coffee.
Okay, I'm gonna try. It's quite strong. Good morning. Pooh!
We have survived our first 24 hours of van life.
Is it already 24 hours?
It's almost 24 hours. And if you know us a little bit, that is actually quite a success.
The lights are bothering me a little bit. Yeah, whatever.
Whatever. So we are ready to explore the rest of the island.
Yes.
I'm sure that we're gonna find a lot of great places. There are a lot of nude beaches around.
For sure.
And that is something for our next videos.
Let's hope that the sun will come out as well.
So if you don't want to miss that,
You know what to do. Subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It would mean the world to us. And if you have something to say for us, please leave it in the comments. We see you in our next video.
bye bye.
Bye.